Hello, today we will guide you through how to deposit in Fusion Markets. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the account area to updating your demo account balance, keeping everything clear and simple so you know exactly what to click and why. Start on the Fusion Markets hub where you manage your accounts. From here, look for trading accounts. This section is where all your live and demo profiles are listed, along with balances and quick actions. Open trading accounts to view the full list. If you use bookmarks, the accounts page link takes you straight there. But navigating from the main hub works just as well. On the accounts list, locate your demo account. Demo accounts are perfect for practicing strategies and getting comfortable with the platform because changes here use virtual funds. Click on Demo to open its details. This ensures you're working with the correct account, and it helps prevent accidental changes to a live balance. Inside the demo account view, select Fund Now. This option opens the funding panel that controls how much virtual money you add or remove. It's designed to be quick to use while still giving you control over the amount in action. In the funding panel, find the type dropdown. This menu lets you choose what you want to do with the balance. Click the dropdown and select Deposit. Deposit adds funds to your demo balance, which is useful when you want to reset after testing or prepare for a new strategy. If you ever choose another action in this menu by mistake, you can always switch back to Deposit before saving. Next, enter your desired amount in the Amount field. You might see a sample value in the box. That's just a placeholder. Replace it with the amount you want to add. Choose a figure that matches your testing goals, and remember that this is a demo environment, so you're not moving real money here. Double-check the currency if it's displayed to make sure it aligns with your demo account settings. When you're happy with the amount, click Edit Funds to apply the change. This confirms your selection and updates the demo balance. After a moment, you should see the new total reflected in the account view. If you plan to run tests immediately, this confirmation helps you verify you have enough virtual capital to proceed. That's it. You've navigated to trading accounts, opened your demo account, selected Fund Now, set the type to deposit, entered the amount, and confirmed with Edit Funds. You're ready to continue practicing with your updated demo balance.